Let's talk about this Envi electric wall heater for a moment. I just think the design is so clever. The best part to me is how slim it is. It's only about 2 inches thick, so it's not sticking out or getting in the way at all. It's really perfect for small spaces where you don't want a bulky space heater taking up floor space. And as soon as you turn it on, you can already feel the heat coming from the top. So instead of using a fan to blow hot air around, this one uses a fanless convection design, so the heat is gentle and completely quiet. That makes a big difference in the bedroom, especially if you're trying to sleep or in an office where you don't want the heater constantly running in the background. And it also uses just 500 watts, so it's designed for more targeted heating rather than heating your entire house when you really only need warmth in one room. So if you have a chilly bedroom, bathroom, office, or another small space, this is a really smart way to add heat without giving up your floor space. Definitely recommend.